Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So let's see and let's check. Will they reach out ngayong August? Okay, so kung sino man yung hindi mo kausap, no? So tingnan natin. So kuha tayo ng ilang energies per elements. Okay, anyway. So yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po, no? Pagdating sa ating mga items and charms. Okay, so again, ipapakita ko. So you can skip the video kung ayaw nyo na makinig nito, no? So yeah, we do have Evil Eye Protection. Okay, so meron tayong ring. Adjustable yung ring natin. Okay, ring. Bracelets. So, this is our adjustable. And yung ating garterize. Okay, ganyan sila. Pareho po silang unisex. Ito po, available ito sa red strings. Ito yung merong initial. Okay? So, yan siya. So, next is yung ating Evil Eye Necklace Protection. So, yan. Again, unisex po. Ha, itong ating necklace. And, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Yeah, oo. So, and yes, yung ating pangmalakasan. Oo, 2-in-1 Love and Money Bracelet with citrine. Okay, so with citrine po ha. So, meron siyang dalang wealth, abundance, prosperity. Okay, yun po ang dala ng citrine stone. Okay, sa inyong energy. Okay, and yes, kung ikaw lalaki, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple. Napakaganda nito, oo. Ang ganda nito sa personal. Anyway, so samahan po ng Evil Eye Protection hanggat maaari para maprotektahan yung inyong frequency. Okay? Kasi napaka-vulnerable ninyo kapag ganitong mga kapag meron kayong mga ganito, vulnerable yung inyong frequency sa ibang energies na pwedeng sumalpok. Okay? Meaning to say, those na pwedeng nagbabato sa inyo ng evil eye. Okay? So, kapag na-evil eye kayo, paano na? Pwedeng may basag na, yung ibibigay, yung inyong namamanifest, gamit ito and gamit ito. Pareho lang po, ha? Okay? So, ang ating granter, taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest and tagapagbigay ng weekly surprises. At least 2 per week. Okay? And syempre, aside nga sa minamanifest mo, meron palagi. And positive lang po yun, na positive lang. Nalumbay yung aking napansin ko, nalumbay siya. Anyway, so this is made to order po, ha, yung ating granter necklace. This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Ang ganda nan. Ang ganda niyan in person. So, ganyan po siya, no? And again, yung ating cord cut, yung pangtanggal, pangtaboy, MALAS, at kaalatan. Okay po. Pwede sa bahay, isabit nyo sa front door, pwede sa business. Pwede dyan sa sarili mo, isuot mo. Kung ayaw mong isuot, pwede mo namang ilagay sa white pouch. Okay? And syempre, yung ating cleansing kit. Yung cleansing kit natin is limited stocks lang po, no? Ang meron tayo. Pero yeah, tanong nyo lang din po muna kay admin kung available pa ba. Pero I think parang meron pa. Oh, parang, I don't know, like, yeah. Tanong nyo na lang po. So, yung ating cleansing kit is meron siyang white sage and selenite crystal. Okay? Yung selenite crystal, siya yung magre-recharge sa mga nalolobat na ninyong charms dyan. Okay? Charms and crystals rin. Kung meron kayong mga crystals. Oo, okay? Anyway, lifetime use pagdating kay selenite. Okay, so let's start. Air signs. So, air signs, will they reach out this August? So, tingnan natin. So, sino ba itong taong to? Sino ba siya? Pero, yeah, syempre, dapat hindi kayo magkausap ngayon. Okay, the Eight of Cups. So, hindi mo pa rin nagagawang alisan itong taong to. Attach ka pa rin sa kanya. Yeah. Umaasa yung iba, sana magkakabalikan pa. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You're still open for them, actually. Death in reverse. So, yeah, okay, open pa po ako for a repeat. Will they reach out? Will they reach out? Let's see. The Seven of Pentacles. They're waiting. Expecting. Yeah, the Four of Cups. Waiting and expecting from you. The Knight of Coins. Wala po silang gagawin na anumang hakbang sa pag-reach out na yan. Nakaupo at naghihintay lang po yung person mo. Pero open sila for magkaroon ng reconnection. Okay, the Moon. Andun kasi yung word na uncertainty, like unsure, ano bang mangyayari if ever, wala na akong idea about this, sa situation, that is why. There's a lot of confusion. Okay, pagdating sa person mo ngayon, kaya hindi sila gumagawa ng kung ano mga hakbang. And yes, again, sabi ko, open sila, pero hindi sila gagawa ng hakbang. Okay? Yeah, they're waiting. The Three of Wands. They're just waiting. No actions. Just waiting. So, next. Tingnan natin sino pa. Who is this for air signs? Oops. Will they reach out? Who else? Okay, the Moon again. Could be a Pisces. Some of you, nalabas na siya sa panaginip mo, actually. Lumalabas na siya sa panaginip mo lately. The Four of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah. Lumalabas na sa panaginip. May mga nangyayari pagdating sa panaginip. Pwedeng doon kayo nagre-reconnect sa 5D. 5D is dreams. Okay? So, let's see. Will they reach you out ngayong August? The Magician. Oh, may chance. Alam nyo, nasa sa kanya naman lahat ng, sabihin nating tools, okay? Para mag-reach out sa'yo. So, Magician and the King of Wands. I think, yeah, the World is here in reverse, the Four of Swords. So, they are like, pagod na rin. So, pagod na kakahintay or maybe kakaisip. Okay, there's still unfinished business sa inyo. The Ten of Wands, yeah, they're giving, sabihin nating, marami na ring questions. So, the Eight of Wands, this is communication. So, yeah, may chance. Kung sino man ang nakaka-resonate dito, okay, kung sino man naka-resonate dito na papapanaginipan mo na siya, could be a Virgo. We have here Sagittarius, Earth sign, Pisces. May chance. Okay? And yes, merong unfinished business. Okay. So, next. So, kailangan ko lang ng maybe 2 energies per element. So, medyo pagod na rin kasi. Anyway, so fire signs. Will they reach out? So, who is this? Who is this person? Fire signs. Will they reach out this August? The Hierophant in reversed. A non-committal. They have commitment issues. Could be a Taurus. Cancerian, I think. Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. Pinaasa ka ng taong to. Pinag-expect ka ng commitments. Pinag-expect ka ng kasal. Some of them, that's specific, not for all. So, let's see, will they reach you out this August? Some of you, pinag-expect ka ng label. Okay. Will they reach out? The Queen of Cups in reversed. And the Queen of Coins in reverse. Yung iba sa inyo ha, pwedeng same gender kayo. They need you actually. They're just waiting. Stalking you. So, walang masyadong action coming from this person. Pero they need you. Actually, they need you. Yeah, waiting. Sila ngayon ang nag-expect sa'yo. Yeah. Yeah, the Five of Swords. Some of them, they will give you hints. They will give you or throw you mixed signals. Pero no clear intentions. No clear actions. Okay? So, maghihintay itong taong to. So, maguguluhan ka dito. Mapapaasa ka na naman. I don't know what's their intentions. Pero, yeah. I'm hearing this energy na pwedeng gagawa sila na kung anumang ingay para makuha yung attention mo. That's their way on how sila mag-reach out sa'yo this August. Okay? So, there. So, next is tingnan pa natin. Okay, so, one more. One more. Energy for fire signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Big help po yun ha sa ating channel. Yeah. Okay, fire signs. Let's see. Will they reach out this August? The moon. Napaka-consistent ng moon. Could be a Pisces. The moon in reversed. And what's with that? Moon in reversed. The Hierophant in reversed. Mga consistent, no? Yung energy. Another, yeah, nagpakita na naman si Hierophant. So, again, meron na namang Five of Swords. This person is afraid with the commitments. They're afraid. Okay? Page of Cups. Maybe they're like, not ready. Oo, not ready pagdating sa commitments. Anyway, Pisces, Taurus, Cancer. Will they reach out this August? May natakot. Takot tong taong to. Yeah, the Sun. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, the Lover. So, I'm hearing reconnection. I'm hearing a reconnection. So, may chance po. Yeah. The Three of Cups in reversed. Some of you, this is like somebody na shy lang, nahihiya lang na mag-open up sa'yo. I think this is a new person, some of you. Yeah, the Emperor in reversed. Okay. Iba sa inyo ha. May chance na magkaroon kayo nga ng reconnection ng tao to, and yes, if this is a past person, they will reach out. Okay, so puro puro major arcana. Yeah, puro major arcana. We have here the moon, we have here the sun. So nagfo-fluctuate yung energy ng person. I think, yeah, it's like nagtatalo yung isip at puso nito sa ngayon. Okay, more on emotions, I think. Pero darating din sa punto na parang, yeah, magkakaroon din siya ng realizations, answers, parang mga ganyan sa mga tanong niya. And eventually, yan na. Okay? So, mag-reach out. So, next. Okay, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, water signs, will they reach out? The person you're thinking, will they reach out? So, who is this? Who is this person? Anong meron sa kanya? Water signs. Anong meron dito sa taong to? Okay. What? The Seven of Swords in the reverse. So, I think pwedeng may nalaman ka sa kanya or pwedeng meron kang nahuli. Okay. This is the liar, the cheater. Okay. What's with that Seven of Swords in reversed? The Queen of Coins in reversed. Some of them, they have a child. Yeah, they have a child. The Emperor in reverse. The Five of Wands. There's drama here. Some of you, talagang inayawan ka ng taong to. Ay, hindi ko alam bakit. Or hinindian ka. Nagawang magtago sa'yo ng taong to. Napaka-consistent nitong Kala ko Hierophant. Kamukha niya kasi. The High Priestess. Anyway. So, will they reach out? The High Priestess in reversed. The High Priestess. Page of Cups. So, yes, may chance ng pagre-reach out. Okay. Pero I'm seeing here closure. Closure, yeah. The Three of Pentacles in reversed. Maybe if you're waiting for them or maybe expecting from them ng reconnecting or reconnection or pakikipagbalikan, no, I don't see it. Pero, yeah, nandun yung energy ng reconnection para mag-usap and to reconcile things and to have a closure. Parang ganon. Okay? So, next, let's see. Who else? Water signs. Who else? The person on your mind na hindi mo nakakausap ngayon, will they reach out this August? Water signs. Will they reach out this August? So, sino to? The Devil in reverse could be a Capricorn. What's with that Devil in reverse? The Knight of Cups. Ten of Cups in reverse at the bottom of the deck. And the Eight of Cups. Okay, so I think ito yung taong kahit alisan mo, kahit layuan mo, siya pa rin. Siya pa rin. Like, hindi siya mawawalan ng spot sa'yo. Parang ganyan. Okay? Feel incomplete without this person. You feel incomplete. Some of you, tingin mo na itong tao to ang may parang kailangan na gawin sa sitwasyon. Okay? Yun ang iba ha. Yun ang tingin ko sa iba sa inyo. Ang tingin mo sa taong to, siya yung merong kailangan gawin sa sitwasyon nyo. Siya yung kailangan gumawa ng love offer or whatsoever. Will they reach out? So, ito na siguro. Will they reach out this August? The Knight of Coins. Medyo may pagkamatigas, no? Itong taong to. Why? The Nine of Swords in reverse. It's saying no. It is saying no. The Queen of Swords. This is being cold, detached, silent. Okay? You're like avoiding the distraction, avoiding the stress. Maybe. That is why, maybe, yun ang kanilang rason kung bakit hindi sila magre-reach out or magre-reconnect sa'yo this August. I don't know why. Okay? So, kanya-kanyang dahilan yun kung bakit. Yeah, the Four of Wands in reverse and the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So, I think, parang kailangan kanyang iwasan para na rin, maiwasan yung distraction na sinabi ko nga kanina, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Maybe, pagdating sa inyong dalawa, pwedeng iniisip ka rin ng taong to, parang ganyan. Ay, hindi ko na kailangan gumawa ng action patungkol kay water sign kasi, I don't know, some of them, they're thinking na every time na you're connected, lagi lang sabotahe. Lagi lang hindi nagiging okay yung sitwasyon. Both sides. Anyway. So, next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, ang tanong, will they reach out this August? Will they reach you out? Let's see. Will they reach out? Earth sign. So, who is this? Okay, may nagpakitang Knight of Cups. Could be a water sign. Anyway. So, let's see who is this person. Who is this? The Hermit. Could be a Virgo. The Hermit. The Ten of Cups. Some of you, pwedeng kasal kayo. Okay? Earth sign. Ikaw ang nagsilbing happy pill pagdating sa kanya. They're a loner. May pagka-introvert tong tao. They're shy type, wallflower. Pero ikaw ang nagsilbing happy pill or nagbigay ng kasiyahan sa kanya and now it's gone. It's gone. Some of you drop them. The Lovers universe. Anyway, so let's see. Will they reach out? Bakit mo din drop? So, yun yung isang tanong ko dito. Pero, kanya-kanyang sagot yan eh. Kaya hindi natin kukunin. So, tingnan natin. Will they reach out? Kasi, I think this person is looking for you. Looking for you dahil ikaw yung nagsilbing liwanag, oo, sa kanyang buhay. Oo. Tingnan natin. The Page of Wands, they want your attention. Some of you, they will get your attention. They will. Judgment in reversed. Yeah, they're in pain. See, the Three of Swords, they're in pain. They like you. They really, really like you. They want this na magkaroon ulit ng opportunity. They want you. Yeah. Some of them, they're single, actually. Some of you need to know that. This person is single. They are. So, they want your attention. They will get your attention. Judgment in reversed. What's with that Judgment in reversed? I think that's the energy of ending of a cycle. Ending of a routine or... Yeah. Yeah, the Seven of Cups. I think this person, hindi na siya nagganon na parang, andun yung pagbabakasakali ng tao ngayong August na makausap ka. Pero, yun nga, tinatatak rin niya sa utak niya na baka mamaya meron ka na rin. Meron ka ng iba. Okay, they're acting single, I think. Okay? Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. So, there. So, next. Who else? Who is this person ng mga earth signs? Again, ang tanong, will they reach out? Will they reach out this August? Sa ating mga earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Will they reach out? Okay, who is this? The Empress in reverse. Pwedeng may anak kayo nito. Or pwedeng may anak siya. What's with that Empress in reversed? The Ace of Cups in reversed. May nangyaring fallout. You have codependency. So, ang nakikita ko rito, nagkaroon kayo ng maraming beses ng on and off. Hindi pa rin totally natatapos tong connection ninyo. Pwedeng wala lang kayong pag-uusap sa ngayon or pwedeng may hinihintay ka lang sa kanya na message. Okay? Some of you, you're not available na rin naman sa kanya actually. Or sila sa'yo. Let's see. Will they reach out this August? Again, the Nine of Cups. That's peace of mind. Justice. Yeah, I think you'll hear from this. The Sun in reversed. I'm hearing arguments. Yeah, the Two of Wands. So, nakakuha ko yung energy ng, yes, nandun yung reaching out, nandun yung pag-uusap, pero hindi pa rin totally matatapos doon. Okay? If there's this issue, nandun pa rin yung issue, hindi pa rin totally magkakaroon ng closure for some of you. Okay? May mga kasagutan na hindi pa rin masasagot. Pero yes, ang tanong lang natin is, magre-reach out ba or may mangyayaring reaching out ngayong August? Yeah, for me, meron. Okay? It's like for the better, for the peace of mind na lang daw. Pero hindi pa rin hindi ko pa rin nakikita rito. The Justice is here in reversed. See? The Three of Pentacles. Maybe there's this, sabihin nating instances na parang magkokos ng delays or sabihin natin hindi yung pagkakaroon ng good cooperation to each other. Parang ganyan. So, there's this, sabihin nating hindrances, no? Na pwedeng mag-cause nga ng hindi magandang reconnection. No? Sa iba sa inyo. Anyway, so there. Yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.